Hey everyone, Ella here for your no equipment leg workout. All right, let's take our feet narrow and parallel. So toes are pointing forward, heels are behind the second, third toe. And here's how I want you to gauge narrow. Narrow is ankles right over above the sort of pokey outy bones right on your hip. So right underneath your hip bones. If you want to find those, that's your marker. Roll the shoulders back, find your bar posture. Let's narrow squat. Take it down and up, down and up. Good. Booty comes back behind you. Weight is in the heels. Keep squatting. Keep squatting. Don't stop. I'm going to turn so that you can see what I'm talking about here, right? It's down and lift. Now, careful that you're not ducktailing your tailbone away from you. I want you to scoop you through your belly muscles. Point that tailbone down towards the floor. Are you ready to come down and hold? Let's hold. Little pulse, little press. Good. Keep pulsing. I'm going to turn to face you. I want you to draw your palms together. I want you to push your palms together. Open up your chest muscles. Good. Yes, breathe. So that fire's gonna come strong and it's gonna come deep into those legs. Smile when it hurts. I'm there with you. You have 4, 3. Here's your second round of narrow squats. This time I want you to reach up, come down. Reach up, come down. So heels come up nice and high. Chest presses forward. Zip up through your front body. Good. You have 8. Come down. 7. Yes. 6. 4 more. 4, up, 3, 2, here it is. Hold nice and low, hold nice and low. Pulse 16. That's right. Can you feel the arches in your feet lifted? So favor the outer line of your leg. Relax your toes. Keep pulsing. Take your arms nice and wide. Heels. Lift, tap. Lift, tap. So hinging forward ever so slightly. Bum is back behind you. You lift, tap, lift, tap, lift. Hold it right here. Hold it right here. Find your balance. Pulse it out. Heels are nice and high. Get that tailbone nice and low. You're almost there. You have just 8, just 7, just 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come all the way up. Shake it out. So you would have felt that in your booty, in your thighs, even your calves as those heels came up. Ready for our second round? Toes come up nice and wide. And this time it's a wider squat. So I want you to think about those feet just slightly wider than the hips. Bum still comes back behind you. Yeah? So you should be able to lift your toes up. Keep squatting. I want you to feel your big toe, baby toe, and heels pushing down into the floor. Give me 2 more here. Let's pulse it out. Down, down, down. Good. So it's really important in these tiny little pulses that we're not pulsing through the knees. We're pulsing through the thighs. Outer thighs, inner thighs, seat muscles. Woo, I feel that work. Let's go for 8, 7, 6. Standing nice and strong and tall right here. Watch your change. It's cross behind and center. Cross behind and center. Good. It's important that your hips stay pointing forward. Your ears are over your shoulders, shoulders over hips and knees. Good. 2 more right here. Hold the cross. Pulse it out. So tailbone, again, right underneath you. Chest stays lifted. Core is zipped up. Ooh, I feel that work. Yes, good. You gotta give me 8 more here for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Hold it right here. Watch your change. It's up. Good. Knee to elbow. You're curling right through your obliques. So finding your balance on that front leg. Breathe. Yes, yes. 8, up, 7, 6, good. 4 more right here. You got it. 3, 2, come up and hold. Hold, find your balance. Curl. Ooh, that one's tough. Balance and curl deep into your obliques. Just 8, 7, 6, woo, 4, 3, come back to your curtsy squat. Here it is, take it down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. If your arms are starting to get tired, you can place them at your hips. Otherwise, arms are reaching nice and long, shoulder blades in their sockets. Here's your final set of pulses right here. You have 16, 15. Draw those arms up overhead. If you wanna level this up, front heel is gonna come nice and high for 8, 7, 6, woo, 4, 3, 2, push it all the way up. Shake up those legs. We got another round on the other leg. So toes come out nice and wide, roll back through your shoulders, deep squat here. Let's go for 8, 8 up, 7, good. Yes. So I just want you to feel that work in the back line of your legs. Stay strong to your core. Breathe into it. Let's pulse down low. Gotta love those bar pulses. Gotta love those accessory muscles kicking in as we move. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, stand nice and tall, curtsy. We cross back, up, back, good. Back, yes. Arms move with intention. That's important. We got no equipment. We gotta make this count. Give me 4 more for 4, 3, 2, hold your cross, pulse it out. Yes. We're feeling that lower body. Really giving her right now. How Canadian of me to say giving her, hey? 8 more pulses, let's go. 8, 7, 6. Back knee to elbow. Here we go. Are you ready? It's curl, stretch, curl. Again, try to get this in from your obliques and not from your hip flexor. Find your focus. Good. 4, 3, 2, find your balance right here. Now you can hold your balance or you can pulse right through it. Just 8 more. We go. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Back to your curtsy squat. Take it down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. Breathe. Back heel is high. Weight is centered. 3, 2. Find your 16 pulses right here. Arms come up overhead. Option to lift your front heel high to really level this up. Final 8, let's go. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come all the way up. Woo! How you doing at home? Hey, do you feel it? We still got 1 more round to go. I ain't done today. We're gonna take our feet together, rock back onto our heels, open up into our first position. So heels are together, toes apart. Inner thighs feel like they're wrapping around, so we're engaged all the way to the glute. We're gonna lift the heels up just about an inch, then draw them together, hands on the waistline to begin. We take it down and squeeze to lift, down and squeeze. So it's really important that those heels stay touching. If you wanna level this up, you narrow your V, keep your heels up nice and high. If you need to take this down a notch, heels stay into the floor, no problem. Make your range of motion smaller. Just stay connected, yes? Let's go. 4, 3, 2, holding halfway. Drop an inch, down an inch, up. Now we should be right in shaky quakey bell right now. We've already challenged our legs through our first few rounds of work, and this is the big bar burner here. Can we pulse it out? Pulse it out, go down, 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 good. Let's add some arms to our next little new movement here. Take your palms forward, hold your plie. We're gonna tuck and tilt and curl. So I'm gonna go on the ankle so you can see that movement. I want you to squeeze through the bicep, squeeze through the glutes, squeeze through the core. Go ahead and speed this up. It's tuck, tuck, curl, connect, breathe, squeeze. I know you feel it now. Good. 8, 7, 6, Hold this position. We got another round to go. Take your arms nice and wide. Drop a little lower. Breathe into the work. Right hip to right elbow, pull in, release, in, release. Good. 4 more this side. Keep those heels touching. When the heels touch, we create a closed chain in the lower body. That helps protect the ankles and knees and the hips. Other side. Let's go. Up. Elbow to hip or hip to elbow. You're gonna feel this right in your obliques, right in your side bum muscles. 2 more. Are you ready to go side to side? Let's go, let's go. All right, left, right, left. Energy is in the arms as you twist and reach and as you pull in. Make those arms work, work. 4, 3, 2. Let's finish strong, let's finish strong. We take it down to up halfway. This is what we call a grand plie, and you should be shaking all the way through. Take it down, 2, and up, down 2 and hold. This is it, find your challenge zone. Stay with me, squeeze those heels together. Pulse for 16, 15, 14. I promise you, I will give you a little stretch right after this. 8 more, good. 8, get lower, dig deeper. Woo, for 4, 3, 2, come all the way up. Shake it out. I promise you a stretch. I'm gonna give it to you. So I want you to go ahead, take 1 foot back behind you, pop the heel, drop the knee, interlace the fingers, round out through the spine, and tuck your tailbone underneath you. So you're opening up through your hip and your quad right here. Now push the back heel down into the floor, find a deep lunge, interlace the fingers behind you, open up through the chest. Option to extend the arms long. And because I know you need it, standing together, draw the heel to the seat, knees together. Woo. Quad stretch. Breathe. Ooh, I love that feeling when we're stretching after a good bar burn. Opposite side, pop the heel, drop the knee, scoop through your belly muscles, tuck your chin to your chest, good. Then push that back heel, so straightening up through that back leg, opening up through the chest. Oh, I like this one today. Taking the heel to the seat, knees together, find your balance and hold. Stretch it out. You did a fantastic job. That was so much fun. Good stuff, everybody.
Hey Bar Babes, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Bar Fitness YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a workout, and we will see you back at the bar again soon.